respected Arun Bandolkar sir, participants of 100 batch, ladies and gentlemen, good evening.
Good evening.
I congratulate all the participants of 100 batch for successfully completing the workshop. I can assure you, this workshop will do wonders in your life. It will take you to higher altitudes of success. Friends, I'm just remembering a story. Long time back, in a small village, there was a small school. Once the headmaster of the school organized a small magic show for the children. And the children of the village were very happy because they were going to see the magic show for the first time in their life. All the children had assembled in the school hall much before the time, and they had fixed their eyes on the stage and they were waiting for the magician to come. And suddenly the magician appears and he says in a thundering voice, "बच्चों, आज मैं गजब ढाऊंगा, सबके सामने शेर को बकरी बनाऊंगा। बच्चों, आज मैं गजब ढाऊंगा, सबके सामने शेर को बकरी बनाऊंगा।" ये सुनकर एक बच्चे ने मुंह खोला और हंसकर बोला, "ये जादू तो मैं रोज देखता हूँ और अपनी नन्ही आंखें सेकता हूँ। मेरे डैडी घर में शेर की तरह आते हैं पर मम्मी को देखते ही बकरी बन जाते हैं." But friends, in our super publicity workshop, it happens the other way around. Our great magician, Mr. Arun Bandolkar, is turning a timid goat into a rolling lion. You just recall the first day of the workshop, some of you are very shy, very timid, even to give an introduction. But today I have seen that the same very chaps have spoken very confidently and very courageously like a lion. Is it not a magic? Friends, Mr. Arun Bandolkar has shown the seed of success in our mind. Now you have to nourish it so that it grows properly and one day becomes a mighty tree. But how will you grow it? How will you nourish it? Whatever he has taught to you, you have to put all that into practice, into action. You have got to be action oriented. Knowing is just knowing. Knowing is not doing. Doing is doing. So whatever we have learned, we have to put into practice. It is said that success is a game. The more number of times you play, the more number of times you win. And the more number of times you win, more successfully you play. So you have to do it repeatedly and one day you will be successful. Your success is in your hands. You have to work for it. Somebody has rightly remarked that ठान लो अगर तुम सितारे गगन के तोड़ सकते हो, ठान लो अगर तुम तूफान का रुख मोड़ सकते हो. It is all in your hands. You have to work for it. If you want, you can achieve it. At last, I pray God to give a very happy and long life to Arun Bandolkar sir, so that millions of people can achieve success and happiness through his workshop. I wish you all a great success in your life. Thank you very much.